today we're doing a little different. We're doing a little hunting today, and we're gonna go meet up with the one and only, the Catfish Hunter. We're gonna be going up here to northern Missouri and doing a little deer hunting on a private farm he's got a lease on. So we'll be getting up there here in a little bit, and I'll check back in once we get camp set up. Get camp set up and whatnot, and we'll be back. All right.
To keep you from the truth, a wall to keep out all the hurt, only to keep out all that's worth. All along you thought that you.
Alright, I just got the tree. On the end of this open field here. About 2 o'clock. So, see what happens.
All along you've been a fool, and it's getting old.
Catfish Hunter. Oh yeah, he's bleeding good. At every step he's dumping. Catfish Hunter. Out here tracking deer in the dark. There's some more blood. Catfish out here spotlighting deer. We just spotlighted a giant. There he is. Shoot him. Hurry up. Deer down.
Schedule meant to clean your heart of anything that might disturb the peace and cause a fight. All you do is bury your head. You know you might as well be dead. But once you find the good, you'll learn to take the bad when it's yours.